All right, let's talk about a scalping strategy using the Ninja Trader version of the first light beacon. It's very simple. This is so simple that if you can't do simple things, turn this video off and don't pay attention to anything I'm saying. We are only taking rejections of end caps and dynamic zones. What do I mean by that? Okay, perfect example. If you see these position sizes here, I just scalped these down. This one right here, I broke my own rules and I ended up break even. See what happens? This position right here, we get a push into the dynamic zone, we get a wicked rejection, and then we get a first flat signal on the next candle. That's an entry. I'm using an order entry tool that's going to set my risk for me and also trail every candle that drops down. Okay. So it's going to automatically just trail. Now this could happen. This dump right here could happen in 3 seconds. Honestly, these are 13-point candles, but this could happen so fast with NQ. That thing is going to catch it. It's going to trail every single candle. Now, here's another entry. We get a rejection. Oh, there we go. We get a rejection of an end cap right here. See the wick into the end cap? Comes up, rejects out. It actually rejected the zone and the end cap at the same time. We get a first flat signal. Boom, there it is. That's an entry. And then that order entry thing would literally trail every one of these candles. So we're locking in every dollar we're making or every candle. Here's another entry. We come in, we reject an end cap and we drop. Here's another entry, reject an end cap and we drop. Here's another entry, rejection, drop. This one is another one, but this one would have lost. Out of all the ones I just showed you, they all would have won. That's it. That's how simple it is. We're only taking end cap rejections or zone rejections, right? There's one more entry that you can take that is the same type of entry I would take. And here's one right here. This is a crossover method. It's the same as the one for TradingView. It just looks different on Ninja Trader because of the candles. But we go up, we cross under, and we push up. This is a $300-$400 scalp with one contract. This is worth taking. Down, here's another one right here. We cross over the zone right here, and then we come under it, and then we push back up. And here's your first flat signal. Boom. That is how simple this strategy is. And we're using the 350 algo as our directional bias. So we're only selling below and we're buying above. You can add that onto the chart, or you can use it on your Ninja Trader, or you can have it on another chart. Now, as far as settings go, I'm using Ninja candles. So we go to our data series up here. Ninja 50 and 13. That's what I like. It gives a better wick, in my opinion, to show me the rejections of the end caps. If you don't like that, play with it and change it, right? Now, as far as in the first light beacon goes, I have mine set to 30 minutes right now, right? Now, the 350 algo I was talking about, that's this right here. We're only selling below and buying above. That's how your bias is determined, okay? Now, if we go back to this, we can set this back to our time-based zone instead of the session-based. And what I do is I go back and I look overnight and I look, the last 12 hours, what has price been respecting the most? The 45-minute zone, the 30-minute zone, maybe an hour. I look at them. That's my pre-market determination or my pre-market analysis. I go and I look and see which end caps are being respected the most. And then that's the zone I use to scalp with. See, this was an entry right here and we missed it. Well, this is live right now. We could have taken this. This is a crossover. We're in shorts only. Comes down, crosses up, breaks down. Here is your entry right here. And then it would trail. This is $300-$400 right here already with one contract. Okay, so that's how easy this strategy is. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want this order entry tool, we have a link and a coupon code is BH, so Bravo Hotel, for I think it's 15% off of this right here. And then there's a link. I will put that in the Discord, but for now, I'll have it with the video. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the Discord and I will help you out. Thanks.